So we finally got the official images of another OG classic, but they spinning it off and doing another reimagined series, man. We gotta talk about it, bro. What's going on, YouTube, man? Thanks for tapping into today's video, man. It's greatly appreciated for you guys to pull up to the videos and see what we talk about, man. Today's topic, like I said, we're talking about the official looks, the official images, the makeup of the Air Jordan 4 bread that we will be getting from Jordan Brand. And I think in March or April, one of the two. I'm gonna put the official date in the description box for the video, but we get it next year, bro. And they already talking about this being one of the best sneakers to release of 2024. And I don't know how I'm feeling about it initially. And I gotta get you guys' thoughts and opinions as well, man. Before we jump into it, right now I need everybody to do that's new to the channel is hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for your boys to miss out on any content that we do drop over here on the channel. It'd be much appreciated. You join the family, man. You gotta see what we're doing right now, man. We talking about some sneakers. We talking about some sneaker news. And I always try to give you guys these nice topics to kind of, you know what I'm saying, go down below in the comment section and let us know what your thoughts, what your opinions are about whatever topic it is, man. So go ahead and subscribe, hit the notification bell, and follow up with a huge like, bro. Them likes go a long way. Them likes show YouTube you're enjoying the content and push the content to other people. So let's grow the family together, and everybody watching, hit that like button. All right, man. So here we have them, bro. The OG, the classics, man. The Air Jordan 4 bread things, man. Bread Air Jordan 4s. This is how they coming, bro. This is the original, you feel me? Not the first one, but the OG retro of the bread 4s. You guys see, man, you got the Nike Air, you got the new buck all around the sneaker. Y'all see it, super linty. I've been beating these things up, and if you guys don't know, man, they super dusty because I wore these with a pair. It's probably the worst, most uncomfortable sneakers to ever wear when you walking for more than a couple hours. It's like sand and dirt all in the sneaker, but I'm gonna keep it just like this. And you know, your boy, I want another pair, bro. I want another pair. When I heard they giving us the reimagined Air Jordan 4 breads, I was excited. I was initially excited until I seen that's gonna be an all leather upper, bro. They keep doing this leather, or if it's supposed to be a leather, they've changed the new buck. It's supposed to be new buck, they changed the leather. All types of crazy stuff. And after what happened with the Air Jordan 1 Royal reimagined, I was like, you know what? They're gonna keep the sneakers to its true form and just kind of give it an aged look. And the first initial images, the first mock-ups, and I know you guys know what I'm talking about, they had this pair right here in like an aged look, like an aged setting, a yellow midsole, you know what I'm saying, a kind of worn out look. That was the first initial, you know what I'm saying, mock-ups of the sneaker. But now we went to, you know what I'm saying, the J23 Live, and them boys had these joints all leather. So how you guys feeling initially, bro? You guys know what they did with the Air Jordan 1 Royal reimagined. I'm trying to find a pair. I know it's a pair over here somewhere. If not, I'm gonna go find a pair, but I'm gonna go ahead and grab these guys real quick. Let me go ahead and grab the Air Jordan 1 Lost and Founds, bro. Probably the best way to pop off the reimagined line, because this is like, you know what I'm saying, it's a Chicago one. But within the Chicago one, you gotta see the crackle leather. You gotta see the aged look to it, the worn out bottoms. And this was like the first thing that I was like, bro, Nike's doing some smart stuff. They doing something dope. They aged in the sneaker. They seen how well that aged looked with the off-whites, and they came out with these guys, bro. Still the best reimagined Air Jordan 1 in my opinion, or the best reimagined in general. I think everybody can attest to that one, but I felt like these had a little bit of, you know what I'm saying, fighting force to fight for that #1 spot as far as the best reimagined. But you guys know with these, it will be all leather, bro. All leather, man. It ain't gonna be no, you know, new buck on the upper. It's gonna be all leather, and it's looking like it's some nice quality. It's not no like some boo-boo quality. It ain't no like, it's a B-grade quality. It looked like some nice tumbled leather. And I'm not knocking a sneaker right now, but I am super interested in seeing how they look in hand, how they hitting. And the way it's looking right now, when we touching these 2024 pairs, you guys might see that pair sooner than later, but you might definitely see it sooner than later. And with this being a bread, with it being an OG, a 4 at that, 4s have been going crazy. I think that a lot of people will gravitate towards copying these. So you might knock the sneakers down in the comment section now. When we get closer to the actual release date, I'm telling y'all, bruh, the Air Jordan 4 bread reimagined gonna fly like hotcakes. I'm telling y'all, they gonna fly like they going for $1. That's how many pairs people gonna be trying to get. People gonna try to double, triple up, and all that good stuff. Cause people like me, I wasn't able to double up on the pair that dropped back in 2018. I think it dropped in 2018 or 2019. I don't remember. But When they drop in 2024, man, them reimagined guys, I'm telling y'all, bro, they gonna be gone. And I know me, I'm still copping a pair. That's why I ain't gonna judge them too early, bro. But I am gonna pose that question to a lot of people that's a lot of people that don't like the reimagined look. They don't like the spinoff. They like the Lost and Founds, but they didn't like what they did with the Breads. They didn't like what they did with the Royals. And they're like, yo, give us something a little bit more true to form. You know what I'm saying? They did it with the Air Jordan 3. Like, bruh, look what they did to the 3s, bruh. Look what they did with the 3s. Now, could you imagine? They would have just kept it consistent with this, bro. Kept it consistent with it being like the original makeup of the sneaker, the leather. Put this with a nubuck aged look, bro. Come on, y'all can't tell me that wouldn't go crazy, bro. Y'all can't tell me. But by hands down, bro. Hands down, by far, the best sneaker to release in 2023. The Air Jordan 3 reimagined. Man, these things are so beautiful. And I feel like for some reason, bro, I think a lot of people are gonna gravitate towards these. But like I said, it's gonna be people that don't like them, it's gonna be people that hate them. And just go back and look at my Royal Reimagined first initial look, unboxing and all that good stuff. People hated it, bro. They said, Nike, why y'all doing this? Why y'all keep doing this reimagined look? You guys seen what happened with the Royal Reimagined drop, bro. Y'all seen it. They was putting on sale for 130 like a week after the drop. That's how bad the release date went for them things right there, man. But I definitely think later down the line, that pair will grow into people. Pairs gonna start, you know what I'm saying, selling out. It's gonna be that many DS pairs. And those pairs are gonna be kind of hard to come by. And I think the resale will jump up on them. That's just my opinion, it's my take. And I'm gonna stay true to that. Because I think next year, summertime frame, hey, you ain't gonna be paying under retail for no Royal Reimagined. So yeah, man, you guys let me know down below in the comment section, ASAP Rocky, bruh. Did you wish Nike would have kept it a little bit more true to the OG Bread 4s? Or are you happy with it being an all leather upper? And right now I'm stuck in between the two. I wish it would have kept it original, you feel me? With like, you know what I'm saying, a white cement twist or a Lost and Found twist. That would have been dope. But all leathers, I guess I got to get used to it because I already know I'm still going to grab a pair. But still, Nike, y'all know what we wanted. Y'all know what the mock-ups initially was looking like. And that's what the Vintage Squad wanted. I'm speaking for y'all, man. Bam, man. Here we have them. I had to go grab them, bro. I still have like 2 pairs of these things right here. Not because it was on purpose. I actually just hit on, I think, sneakers. And then initially I bought a pair early, so I just ended up with 2 pairs. And I guess I'm going to sit on things for a while. But it is still super dope to have a pair of the Royal Reimagined guys in the collection, man. So do you guys think these new Air Jordan 4 Breads Reimagined going to end up like these right here, or do you think they're going to be a little bit more wanted, going to be a little bit more liked by the people, and end up like the sneaker of the year in 2023, the Air Jordan 3 White Cement Reimagined? I appreciate all the support, man. Thank you guys for tapping into today's video. If you guys did enjoy today's video, leave a huge like, subscribe to the channel if you're new, hit the notification bell for your boys to miss out on any content that we do drop, and I cannot wait to see you guys' comments, reactions, thoughts, opinions over what we get in 2024 in the comment section, man. Again, appreciate all the support. Thanks for tuning in. And all that being said, bro, your boy DaVinci is gonna catch you in the next video, man. Peace.